Hey, how you doing? I got some great news, maybe? Listen to what the doctor has to say about solar weather conditions.
Back up to unsettled, maybe even active conditions. Switching to our solar flare and particle radiation storm outlook over the coming week, everything is still in the green when it comes to solar flares. We do have region 2727 on the Earth-facing disk right now, and that new cycle region might be numbered here in the next day or so, but neither of them are really flare players, so we don't have to worry about radio blackouts, which should make you GPS users very happy. Now, amateur radio operators, you should also be pretty happy. The sun is saying 73. And it gives you good greetings. We're back into marginal range for.
So the doctor is saying that maybe, I think she said, that the solar cycle is starting, the new one, which means things will start improving and continue to improve. Is that what she's saying? I noticed this weekend my packets from the NOAA Weather Service on the solar flux numbers have been 73 all weekend. And we've been seeing 68 and praying for 70 and above. Well, she's saying there's going to be 73s, which is also a ham radio jargon, for a week, maybe more. So does that mean we're going to finally break through and get some good shortwave listening conditions and propagation conditions for you amateur radio operators? Oh, I'm hoping. But she used that term, a new cycle. And I think she's saying it's going, maybe there's a hint of a new solar cycle, meaning we've been in the toilet as far as radio propagation for a year now, and maybe we're coming out. Maybe. We'll see. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Also, watch Tabitha's full shows. Her YouTube channel is right here. And she gracefully has been talking momentarily about conditions that affect amateur radio operators and shortwave listeners. Have a great day. Bye-bye.